Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today we have a nice system of equations, that is a cubed minus a times b times c is equal to 2. And our next equation is b cubed minus abc is equal to 6. And our third equation is c cubed minus abc is equal to 20. So here our job is to find the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So let's start our solution. First of all, we are going to just suppose that this a times b times c, that is equal to m. So let us suppose that a times b times c is equal to m. So substituting this value of m in equation 1, so we have a cubed minus a times b times c is equal to m, that is equal to 2. Now here our second equation is b cubed minus a times b times c. So here we will get b cubed minus m is equal to 6. Similarly, c cubed minus m is equal to 20. So if we find the value of a cubed from this one, then we will get a cubed is equal to m plus 2. Similarly, here b cubed is equal to m plus 6, and c cubed from this equation is equal to m plus 20. Now if it is our equation 1 and it is our equation 2 and it is our equation 3, then we are going to just add these three equations here. So adding equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3, then we get here a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to, here m plus m plus m, we get 3 times m, plus 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 20 is 28. So let's say it is our equation number 4. Now we are going to just multiply these three equations. So here multiplying equation 1 with equation 2 and equation 3, then we will get a cubed times b cubed times c cubed is equal to, here we have m plus 2 times m plus 6 times m plus 20. Now a cubed times b cubed times c cubed can be written as a times b times c whole cubed is equal to m plus 2 times, if we multiply these two here, so m times m is m squared, plus m times 20 is 20m, plus 6 times m is 6m, plus 6 times this 20 is 600, and 6 times 2 is 12, we get 120. Now a times b times c whole cubed is equal to, here we have m plus 2 times m squared, plus 20 plus 6 is 26 times m, plus 120. Now multiplying this m plus 2 into this parenthesis, we have a times b times c whole cubed is equal to m times m squared is m cubed, plus m times 26, m is 26m squared, plus m times 120 is 120 times m, plus 2 times m squared is 2m squared, plus 2 times 26 is 52 times m, plus 2 times 120 is equal to 240. Now a times b times c whole cubed is equal to, here we have m cubed plus 26m squared plus 2m squared, we get plus 28m squared, plus 2 times m squared is 2m squared, plus 2 times 120 is 120 times m, plus 2 times 120 is 2m squared, plus m times 120 is 2m squared, plus 2 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 times 1 plus 120m plus 52m is equal to 172m and plus 240. Now here we see that as a times b times c is equal to m, as we have supposed earlier that a times b times c is equal to m, then putting this value of a b c here, so we get m cubed, which is equal to m cubed plus 28m squared plus 172m plus 240. Now this m cubed is cancelled, so here we will get 28m squared plus 172m plus 240 is equal to 0. So if we divide 4 with each term, then we have dividing by 4. So we will get 28 divided by 4 is 7m squared plus 172m divided by 4, we will get 43m plus 240 divided by 4 is 60 is equal to 0. Now here it is a nice quadratic equation. We can solve it by factorization method. Now as we know that 7 times 60, the product of 7 times 60, that is equal to 420. And we also know that if we just multiply 28 times 15, then it is equal to 420. So if we add 28 plus 15, then it is equal to 43, which is 43m. It is our midterm here. So splitting this 43m into 7m squared plus 28m plus 15m plus 60 is equal to 0. Now here this 7 times m can be factored out from these two terms. So we have 7 times m, here we have m, inside bracket we will get m plus 4. Similarly, if we just take 15 is common, we have m plus 4 is equal to 0. So here our first factor is m plus 4 and another one is 7 times m plus 15 is equal to 0. Next, now m plus 4 is equal to this 0 and 7m plus 15 is also equal to 0. From first equation we have value of m is minus 4, and from second one this 7m is equal to minus 15. Dividing this 7 on both hand side, 7 is cancelled. On our left hand side we have another value of m is minus 15 over 7. Now we have two values of m is equal to minus 4 and m is equal to minus 15 over 7. Now here recall equation 4. Our equation 4 is given by, here we have equation 4, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 times m plus 28. So a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to 3 times m plus 28. So if a is equal to minus 4, then here a cubed, sorry, not a but it is m, that is m is equal to minus 4. So a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to 3 times m is minus 4 plus 28. Now a cube plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to 3 times 4 is minus 12 plus 28. So a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to minus 12 plus 28 we have plus 16. So it is our first solution of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, that is equal to 16. Now we are going to put the another value of m, which is minus 15 over 7. So here we have if m is equal to minus 15 over 7, then we have our equation for implies that a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to 3 times m plus 28. Now putting the value of m, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 times minus 15 over 7 plus 28. Here we have a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to 15 times 3 is 45. Just writing here minus 45 over 7 plus 28. So a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed is equal to, here we have 1 denominator, so taking this common multiple, which is 7, here we will get minus 45 plus 27 multiplied by 7, we get 196. Now our final step is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to plus 196 minus 45, we get 151 over 7. So it is our second solution of a cube plus b cube plus c cubed. So here we will get two values of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, that is 151 over 7. And first one is, here we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 16. So it was our entire solution, that is we have two values of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So our first value is 16, that is 16, and another one is 151 over 7. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.